clutch system in an automobile provides a link between engine and gearbox. It's a mechanism that facilitates connecting and disconnecting the engine and gearbox so the gear shift becomes easier and extends the gearbox's life. A clutch system includes driver plate and driven plate pressed together using a diaphragm spring. As time goes, the parts can wear out and shows some symptoms. The first symptom you might experience would be trouble in shifting gears. This happens when the clutch fails to disengage properly. In order to shift gears, the clutch system has to release the connection between the engine and transmission. This might be a problem in pressure plate or even in actuators. Most modern cars have a hydraulic system for applying clutch. A leak or air inside the system can result in the same symptoms. Secondly, you may feel a stiff or heavy clutch pedal. As time goes, the diaphragm spring inside the pressure plate can fail or become stiff. You might feel hard to press the clutch pedal. Sometimes the pedal might be soft in the morning or when the engine is cold, but as the engine heats up, the pedal becomes stiff. If you have experienced this situation, it's a good idea to check and replace the clutch system as early as possible. If you keep on driving with a heavy clutch, the diaphragm spring in the pressure plate can break apart, which can cause heavy damage to the gearbox housing. A heavy clutch can also be caused by hydraulic or cable actuators failures. You need a proper inspection to diagnose the issue. Thirdly, when the clutch is about to fail or has an issue, you might feel vibrations or a chatter in the clutch pedal while engaging and disengaging the clutch. This can happen mostly in lower gears, whenever you try to go from a stop or shifting gears. This can also happen if the release bearing in the clutch system is damaged. Fourth symptom associated with clutch failure is slipping clutch. As the clutch works by the theory of friction between two plates, as time goes, the plates wear out and there comes a point where they can't make enough friction and the plates slip. You might see the engine RPM may go up but the speed of the vehicle stays still with the clutch engaged. You might experience the same while going up a hill or with high loads in the car. You might feel the car running in half clutch all the time. With a slipped clutch, you may experience a rubber burning smell, especially at higher engine speeds. You may also see a difference in fuel economy. Fifth symptom when the clutch system has an issue is a spongy clutch pedal. This doesn't mean the clutch plates have an issue, but the hydraulic clutch cylinders might have an issue. In critical cases, you might also see the pedal stuck on the floor and doesn't return.